Hello, my dear lovely friends. Welcome back. This is Mina in front of you. You can see I am standing on the road. Actually, I have already come in the Sundarban Courier service. It is situated at Punabari in Gazipur. I have a parcel. I received a parcel for my kids. You can see on my hand. This is a parcel already received it, and you can see behind or side on the road many other government starts, many auto here and there coming and going. So as I received the parcel, then I returned from courier service and go to market, some buy vegetable and have to come the fair. Actually, see you to the fair. Thank you everybody. Thank you.